Let's pick another stone from the bowl. Up this week we have Blue Apatite. Blue Apatite is a very motivational and inspirational stone. It has an uplifting energy that helps to raise the spirits and create a positive outlook on life. Blue Apatite is an ideal crystal for those looking to bolster their personal power and reduce negative energy at the same time. It's a vibrant hue, gives off powerful properties that allow for increased motivation and self-confidence. It also helps with manifestation. It can be beneficial for easing sorrow and aids in raising the spirits. Blue Apatite can also stimulate creativity and productivity. Blue Apatite stimulates the throat chakra. This supports positive communication with yourself and others. It also attunes the third eye chakra, which helps one with their perspective on life and the world around them. It aids in helping in problem solving and stimulates the mind, boosting creativity and promoting clarity of thought. This makes an excellent tool for brainstorming and overcoming mental blockages. Blue Apatite is also associated with the element of air and can bring on new ideas and knowledge. It helps one to set realistic goals and actively pursue them. Let's talk about the geology of blue apatite. Blue apatite is a phosphate mineral that belongs to the apatite group. It is comprised mainly of calcium phosphate along with other trace elements. There are many different types of apatite out there, but blue apatite falls under the category of fluoroapatite. This is because it contains fluorine and has a different composition than the other types of apatite. This gemstone typically forms in igneous rocks such as granite or pegmatite, as well as in hydrothermal veins or metamorphic rocks. The beautiful blue coloring of blue apatite is attributed to the presence of various mineral impurities, including iron and manganese. When it is sedimentary, small pieces of minerals and other rocks sink to the bottom of bodies of water. These rocks or sediments are slowly compacted over time, long enough to build up pressure and glue them all together, creating a new type of stone. Igneous apatite is formed when magma with a lot of calcium and phosphorus cools slowly over time and becomes a stone. Most gem quality apatite is actually formed through igneous process. Metamorphic apatite forms when rocks experience lots of heat and pressure underground, and that eventually changes into the minerals into apatite. Characterized by its glassy or vitreous luster, it can be displayed in a range of blue shades from light sky blue to deep ocean blue. It also exhibits hexagonal crystal structure that often appears in prismatic or tabular crystal habits. The transparency of blue apatite can vary, some specimens being translucent while others can be more opaque. On the Mohs scale of mineral hardness, blue apatite grades out of 5. Blue apatite is relatively brittle stone. It's very hard to cut or facet because it breaks apart while you're trying to do it. This is why on the market you'll find most blue apatite is in its raw form or it's polished. Blue apatite is found all over the world and is mined in countries such as Madagascar, Burma, Brazil, Russia, Namibia, California, and the United States. Most of the blue apatite you see in our shop comes from Madagascar or Brazil. Are you feeling creatively blocked or lacking of motivation in your life, waiting for inspiration to strike, or sometimes do you have trouble expressing yourself? Then blue apatite might just be the perfect stone for you. Blue apatite is known as the stone of inspiration and manifestation. Its energetic properties help individuals enhance their creativity, stimulating personal growth and igniting motivation. If you are seeking clarity in decision making or looking to overcome self-doubt, blue apatite can provide support and encouragement for you to do and pursue your goals and dreams. Meditating with blue apatite can help you tap into your inner artist or spur on innovative ideas or simply give you the energy to tackle whatever challenges come your way. It can also help you manifest your goals and open doors to new possibilities. Wearing blue apatite jewelry allows you to carry its energetic properties with you throughout the day. Blue apatite earrings can support spiritual awakenings and intuition, acting as a constant reminder to stay connected with your inner wisdom. Blue apatite resonates strongly with the throat chakra, making it a powerful tool for communication, aiding in expression of yourself with clarity and confidence. When worn close to the chakra as a pendant, it can inspire positive connections and foster productive conversations. The crystal's energy opens the throat chakra, clearing away any blockages that may be holding you back from expressing yourself clearly. Wearing a blue apatite ring or bracelet brings positivity and motivation, igniting changes and aiding in personal goal achievement. We suggest wearing a blue apatite on your dominant hand, typically your right hand if you're right-handed. This is believed to influence communication, manifestation, and intention setting. Wearing a ring on your index finger is considered best as it represents leadership and authority, amplifying positive energy in your life. Keeping a small tumbled piece of blue apatite with you throughout the day is a great way to carry its energy with you. If you have a creative job, it's especially helpful for motivation and inspiring you. It is also believed to enhance communication skills, encouraging personal growth and supportive for spiritual development. Blue apatite can assist in releasing negative patterns, promoting emotional well-being, and encouraging positive thinking. Place a piece of blue apatite in spaces where you seek creativity, inspiration, or clarity clarity of thought. It is also believed to clear mental fog, stimulate intellectual pursuits, and encourage a positive atmosphere. Blue Apatite can also help in fostering effective communication or collaboration within a team setting or in a family setting. Cleansing your piece of Blue Apatite is extremely important. Be sure to avoid water cleansing as it can damage the stone. In addition, sun cleansing could also have your Blue Apatite fade in color. I recommend smoke cleansing, selenite cleansing, sound baths, or laying your Blue Apatite under the light of the full moon. Follow your intuition and choose the cleansing method that resonates with you and the crystal. If you want to learn more about healing crystals, geology, and how to use them, please like and follow us for more.